Hey, I just want to take a moment to show you what's wrong with these shocks. It's old shocks and how is it bad. See, if you stretch them out, it's going rough, but some kind of hard. It's still going. This way it still works. If I'll push on it, that's it. Easy. This is a new one. So let's take a moment. How's that going there? Okay, pull it. It's hard. And now push. See? Let's say it's faster, but it's doing a pretty good job. It's going smoothly. Yeah, so just a minute to show you what's wrong with my shocks and my truck. And there will be another video how I replaced them. Thanks.